Before disassembling your iPhone, be sure it is powered off. Remove the two 3.6 pentalobe screws next to the dot connector. Push the rear panel toward the top edge of the iPhone. Pull the rear panel away from the back of the iPhone, being careful not to damage the plastic clips attached to the rear panel. Remove the rear panel from the iPhone. Remove the following screws securing the battery connector to the logic board. One 1.7 mm Phillips screw and one 1.5 mm Phillips screw. The plastic opening tool to gently detach the battery connector from the socket on the device. Start lifting off the connector from the bottom side by placing the tip of the tool between the loudspeaker enclosure and the metal cover of the connector. Insert the edge of a plastic opening tool between the battery and the outer case near the bottom of the iPhone. Run the plastic opening tool along the right edge of the battery and pry up at several points to completely separate it from the adhesive, securing it to the outer case. Now remove the battery. Now insert the battery to the iPhone. Insert one Phillips screw near the speaker and insert a grounding clip to secure the battery connection. Attach the rear panel towards the bottom of the iPhone. Be cautious not to damage the plastic clips attached to the rear panel. Insert the two pentalobe screws next to the dot connector. If you have questions related to this repair, please contact Werx for assistance.